part of growing up for me was thinking about how different places are and how people behave very differently in different parts of the world. And I think that's actually shaped a lot of how I think about the science that I do, is how does experience change the connections in the brain? What makes us who we are as individuals? My family traveled a lot. We lived in Scotland, Paris, and Mexico when I was 16. These are some pictures of the village that I lived in. After I was in college, I went to the Peace Corps in Zaire. It's now the Democratic Republic of Congo. And I did maternal and child health care. And it was a place where about 20% of children died before they were 5 from infectious diseases. The vaccinations completely stopped measles epidemics that happened every year. And for me, that was this moment where I felt the power of science. As a postdoctoral fellow in Eric Kandel's lab, we studied how stimulation changes the strength between neurons from a sea slug. And there was a beautiful system where you could take one motor neuron and put it with one sensory neuron, and then you add serotonin and it strengthens the synaptic connection. Neurons have a single cell body with a single nucleus, but they elaborate this beautiful dendritic arbor. They connect to many other neurons. And I realized that some of the neurons from aplesia had 2 processes. So I stimulated just one branch and found that that branch changed in synaptic strength and the other didn't. So it told us that there was this ability to have a really localized change in synaptic strength. And that sort of opened the door to trying to figure out what was happening. Looking down a microscope at neurons, there's nothing like it. It's just the most beautiful image that you could imagine. Neurons connecting with one another, changing. That's a huge pleasure for me. In 50 years, I honestly hope that sometimes people just think, oh, this has always been known, and read an Oswald Steward paper, a Christine Holt paper, an Erin Schuman paper, a paper from my lab, and go, oh my goodness, before this time, nobody thought that there was local translation in synapses.